Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. How are you? How's your morning so far? Good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing great. Hello, guys. How do you like my new microphone? Look at this beautiful mic here. Yeah, look at this. It's amazing, right? It's gold one. I mean, not real gold, obviously. But look at this color. Do you think it's coincident? I don't think so. I don't think so. All right. Well, guys, this morning we got set up for long, which of course, I missed. Mic check, my check. Yeah. Of course, I missed because I wasn't at home at 7:30 a.m. unfortunately, so we got long, and 2 hour was hit at Asia high, also hit forced standard deviation. Honestly, I'm looking for continuation higher, and I was looking for continuation high to take 4010 level, 4012 level, somewhere there. So here's a 2R for continuation, which I don't trust at all, honestly. Backwards, nope. By the way, it's made in Russia. Russian mic here. So, perfect textbook long this morning. Once again, I missed this, unfortunately. Here's the continuation setup. I also not in this trade just yet. I didn't want to engage in long when we like a couple of points away from Asia high, which was all-time high. So I didn't engage in this trade. Sitting flat, let's see if we are going to get some setups. And I mean, I see entry right now for continuation higher, like maybe something like this, but the only problem with this continuation, we already hit like two important levels. It was forced standard deviation and all-time high. So I just feel like I would like to see some retracement down. That is why I'm not in this trade just yet. But once again, like I anticipate to get continuation to take 4010, 4012 level. Let's see. I hope it's not going to just, like pump all the way up to 4015. I hope it's going to offer some retracement for me to enter this long, not short. Because we got pretty much straight move up on hourly. Look at this. Oh, gold, what are you doing? Once again, I'm sitting flat still. No trades. Let me turn this around. Maybe it's going to be slightly better. Well, look at this new mic. Yeah. October 6th. Oh yeah, thank you for letting me know. Let me change this. Always forget about change the day. All right. Mic sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. It's Russian microphone, so I ordered this in US. So I guess they have some in US because it's made in Russia. I don't remember the city, but it's like handmade. So once again, let's see if we are going to get some trades today on stream, because once again, I'm still flat. I got scalp on longs last night for 5 points because I also missed initial move. I got like 5 points long. It's gold one. Why? How do you think? Yes, I agree with you. You know, like, I want to take this long because once again, I miss initial trade. And I was like, 10 points risk. And like, I have no idea where we can go. I would rather to wait for the retracement, you know, because once again, yes, entry like had to be here. And I was like, if I'm going to enter here, what level would like to aim for? Like, really, I have no idea. So guys, let's see if we're going to get some setups. That's all I see so far, just this move. I mean, this long. I'm not sure if it's going to hit like 40-15 level or so, like really, because I don't have any projections anymore, as well as I don't have any levels higher, just nothing. 39.94, okay, order block. This one. I mean, I would say not really okay because it's like at the middle of nowhere. I wouldn't say so. You know, yesterday I was aiming for 4K and we discussed this yesterday as well. I didn't expect to get like higher than 4K because we don't have any levels higher. 4K is like psychological levels. That's why I took partial at 4K and the rest up at break even. So I got like 5 micros with 5 points only. So a bit more, like 7 points. Because I was too late to enter the trade. Best setup was around like 7 p.m. and I opened my charts only at 8. Yeah, if you like notice this, gold respects rounded numbers so well. I cannot say the same for NQ or ES. So guys, let's see. Once again, I see this as continuation setup. I have no idea about the target. Still flat, yes, unfortunately, or fortunately, still flat. Yeah, I had here continuation trade. Yes, exactly. To be honest, once again, I have no idea if this target is correct, simply because we don't have any levels higher. Guys, do you have any projections? Because I use this projection as I anticipate to get market maker buy model. Where the hit for standard deviation. Which projection should I use? Do you have any, guys, to share with me what levels you have? So at least I will understand we have levels higher. 15-minute projection and okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to highlight them. You mean that one, right? By the way, yes, I will use this one. So yeah, at least 40-15 is going to be between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range. I might actually like this, but once again, let's see if we're going to get trade today, guys, together. Because once again, I'm still flat everywhere. Didn't take a single trade yet. You have 2 standard deviation at 410. Yeah, pretty much the same. Okay, 40-13. Okay, lines up. Let's see if it's going to offer the retracement for us first, guys. To enter long. Update on NQ. My target remains the same. 378 is my target for NQ. That's it. I'm bullish. Here's the setup that I highlighted last Friday. I still would like to see this setup. Nothing changed, guys. 378 is my key level. 378. 378 is target. By the way, my Instagram started working again because I didn't have access to my direct messages for 6 days. I mean, I saw some direct messages, but most of them, 6 days, Instagram was trying to fix the issue because once again, I wasn't able to see my posts. I couldn't like load every single, okay, not every single, I could load some stories, but not every single that I wanted. And yeah, I wasn't able to see direct messages at all, especially from new people. But right now, finally, I can read them. Why don't you trade? I mean, I don't trade forex. I trade futures. What's wrong with this? Look at this straight move up. Come on, gold. What are you doing? Like overall, look at this daily chart. Wow, right? Like, wow. Consolidation then just since August 20th, just straight move up, guys. 2 months of straight move up. I want to see deeper retracement as well, you're not alone. I want to see like 39.78 for longs. So guys, let's see if you're going to get to trade today. I need to have trading day on my account, one of my accounts. Don't want to just open and close a trade, would like to get like solid setup. Let's check CL. Oops. It's weekly chart, come on. What is going on? Look at this weekly chart, guys, on CL. Well. Okay, what I see right now on CL, just using a weekly chart, nothing else. Backtesting is a weekly order block. Would like to see attempt to take previous week low level. That's on weekly. Daily looks horrible, like ugly. I don't know how to describe this ugly price action. Would like to see previous week low level, guys, like 60 cents lower from current price level. Here's the inversion on daily. I cannot say like I'm bearish on oil, you know, but yeah, would like to see previous week low level taken. That's all I have for buys, guys. What is your bias on oil? $6 a.m. Oil, CL, CL, oil. Would like to see we taking out previous week low level. Oil, I don't really like how CL looks on high time frame because it's a bit choppy. But yeah, I will keep my eyes on previous week low level. On gold, once again, same idea, like nothing changed. Ideally, I would like to get retracement to get in longs again. But here's the 2R for continuation higher. For NQ, my bias remains the same. I'm bullish on NQ and on ES. So we hit this standard deviation on ES of a 15-minute or hourly manipulation leg. It was 68.03. I discussed this yesterday. And if NQ wants to take 378 today, it will go to 68 to 375 on ES. How many contracts do you usually trade on silver? Okay, normally I trade not micro silver, which is SIL. I trade CL, like one mini contract, not more. Oh, thank you. It's gold, Mike. Guess why? Guess why? YM, cannot like say a lot about YM because I don't trade this at all. Let me delete some old levels from my chart. Considering for our chart on YM, I don't really mind to see we taking out 47,155 level. At all, yes, exactly. Yeah, using I don't want to use YM for SMT with ES and NQ because every single time when I'm looking for SMT with YM just drops hard and NQ goes up like to the moon with no retracements. Like, let's break the roof. Nobody cares. It's not real gold, by the way. Well, once again, no FOMO right now, just waiting for a setup. You can always look for continuation if price still did not hit high time level. Like, exactly the same approach. If it's still going to high time level, look for continuation, trade continuation. For example, on ES, sometimes it's tricky to trade potential see during PM session, so normally execute continuation. So guys, let's see if we are going to engage today together. So I need to copy across two platforms today, NinjaTrader and Project X. I will try to be fast today. All right. Let's see if we are going to get set up. Once again, I'm not on this trade. I just highlighted potential continuation setup. Any giveaways today? We will see. I'm not on trade, guys. I just highlighted continuation setup. Once again, I'm going to repeat this again. I didn't see the reason to engage this continuation simply because we took all-time high. Like, it was a couple of points to take all-time high. Like, to risk 10 points to make 3 points. It doesn't sound nice, right? Still flat, guys. No trades taken. That's probably okay. Over here, I'm flat. Over here, I'm flat. Let's see if you're going to get any trades today. I hope so. Because I need to have some trading days on my funding ticks. I don't want to open and close trades, you know, like just to count this as trading day. With 1 micro. I hope to get like set up. How's NQ doing? My bias on NQ remains the same once again, even if it wants to retrace down back to New York midnight open today. Overall, I still would like to see higher to 378. Nothing changed. One second. Well, I guess I saw someone yesterday said, how is it possible to trade gold without retracement? I would say that's okay to trade gold if you scalp this. Like, once again, gold moves like a lot pretty much for the day. Like, sometimes like 50 points, sometimes it's like 60 points. But all we ask, like, please give us like 7-10 points and we will go home. So we trade in lower time frame. We don't care about like big retracements at all. So I would say we're doing overall good trading. Like, once again, let's see. For example, do we have retracement here to engage in longs? I mean, yes. Do we have retracement here to engage in longs? I mean, yes. Obviously, of course, if I go on daily chart over here, no retracements here. Just minor pullback to fair value gap, move from external to internal continuation. Move from external to internal continuation. That's it, guys. So nothing changed. Even here, like, yeah, we got minor retracement, like engage in this long. we got a minor retracement engaged in this long. But yeah, gold keeps breaking all-time highs, and it's still kind of hard for me to look for targets. So probably if I will look for longs, I am not quite sure if I'm going to aim for 2R. For example, this trade is 2R, which honestly, I have no idea if you're going to hit this. So probably it's going to be like, I know, like 2 standard deviation, 1.5R. Sometimes it's going to be 1.3R, 1.2R. Sometimes it's going to be 1R. But yeah, like next level is 2 standard deviation of 15-minute manipulation leg at 4011.4. Next level is 4019, and so on. Model to trade. Give me 1 second. I'm going to point you guys right now. I explain how you can use continuation there and so on. Okay, where is my channel? Guys, in order to trade this model on gold, here's a video about this. I include backtest session there. Give me 1 second. Watch this. Watch this. I mean, yeah. I don't know. Like, okay, guys, let's discuss this because as you can see, like NQ also doesn't want to provide like retracements at all. But I feel like NQ still harder to trade in lower time frame without retracements at all. You're welcome. So while gold also does not want to provide any retracements, at least on lower time frame, picture looks a bit more obvious. Well, guys, I'm waiting for the trade on gold to take this with you guys. Let's see. I'm going to delete this because I'm not on this trade. It might look confusing. Five. So once again, the retracement down can happen on NQ and ES to New York midnight open again. As you can see, we got this pretty much straight move up, lots of failure swings on this way up. So for the retracement, it's okay to see New York midnight open like 70 points retracement or so. How many years have you been in this job? Like 3.5 years. Trying to see what we have on on silver. Well, guys, seems like we have SMT with silver. Not really SMT, no, never mind. What I'm going to do is just open silver here. Sometimes it's just hard to jump between two charts. No, actually, yeah, we do have SMT. Maybe it will offer desired retracement for us to engage in shorts. Just asking, like retracement. Retracement were back to New York midnight open and our inversion. I would say it's not in sync at all, but still. Gold trend. I mean, I would say gold was... I feel like gold is the only instrument that was quite obvious with bias overall. Like, yeah, of course, there are some days where like I have no idea what kind of bias we have. For example, it was this kind of day-to-day. But overall picture on gold seems obvious. And gold expects like some patterns, like once again, bull flags, breakouts, as well as some ICT patterns. So gold is nice to trade. I would say once CL leaves this consolidation high time frame, it's going to be obvious as well. Because I remember last year when I was trading CL, it was it was December or January. I don't remember. Last year, seal was good. Market does not even open yet. All right. Still flat, guys. Waiting for setup. Like obvious picture. Do you think that 30 minute and hourly SIP on NQ will be retracement? Hard to say. I just feel like overall I'm a bit more bullish on NQ and ES. And once again, my key level and probably weekly objective is going to be 378 on NQ and 68.33 on ES. Got long stop and break even. You moving at break even too fast. Like oh, because you scalping, I got it. Then yeah, that's okay. Because you probably scalping on 1 minute chart, which makes lots of sense. Yeah, I mean, great. Especially with 1 minute contract, like, no complaints. Well, guys, let's see. As you can see, we got hourly just straight move up, like 1, 2, 3, at least 5 hourly candles, bullish candles, and yeah, I need this retracement lower. How far we can retrace? Honestly, I have no idea. RB, let's check RB. Maybe we can trade something else, you know? It's for a chart. Like double, triple sweep. All right. Where's my height from candles? All right, it's way better. As you can see, we got like triple sweep on RB. We got entry point here. Oops. So I would like to see price going to fill this volume imbalance over here. Come on, Dasha. It's RB chart. Oops. Yeah, you're looking for the reversal. How far you want to see this? Did you fix the lightning? Nope. It's better. But what about YM? YM target, like my key level on YM is 47,155. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, like 5 up close candles, and let's see how this candle is going to close in 30 minutes. So I will look for the trade for silver bullet, maybe at like 9:50 a.m. Right now, just trying to see what will happen between 9:30 and 9:50. So we don't want to, ideally, we don't want to trade this 20-time window. We want to trade after 9:50. Like best setups normally after 9:50. Yeah, that's new mic. It's not real gold, by the way, but it's gold one. That's not coincident. So once again, gold still sitting inside continuation setup. So at this point, like 40.11, 40.15 is like level that we're looking for. But hard to catch continuation here simply because we got 5, almost 6 hourly bullish candles. Higher from candles with a separator. Anyone looking for this nice? Oh, do you have one? Let's cross this down. Happy New Mike, thank you. Let me log into my Take Profit Trader as well. Hilmi, can you teach me how to trade? I mean, just study ICT. Personally, probably I cannot teach you how to trade. Any giveaways? We will see. I didn't plan like accounts for today. But yeah, we will see. We will see. We're about to hit 30,000 people on my channel, guys. So at this point, we will do giveaway. Lots of giveaways this week. Yeah. I like the retracement down, so I would like to see the retracement back to like 88, 86 area. If it's going to present some opportunity for us there. Scam giveaway. Yeah. Yeah, I have a plan right now if price is going to hold below. Let me change. 5-minute chart. I have a plan right now. If price is going to stay below 40.02, I will try to short probably. Ideally, of course, to get set up like after 9:50 a.m. Like it's not right time to trade this. But if price is going to stay, I will look for trade something like this. Because I need this retracement down. Let's see if where it's going to close on 3-minute chart. Like 2 minutes left on this candle. What do you mean like by stay below this level? I need to get the closure. You didn't get account? Okay, I'm gonna check. I don't know why we have problem with giveaways because I believe all accounts sent. I know it sometimes takes up to 5-7 days, but normally like immediately. But okay, I'm gonna see this. You're not the first who asked me about this. So let's see where this 2-minute candle is going to close. Once again, I'm not sure. No shorts. No shorts yet. I said I need to see if it's going to close below this level to try this. Yeah, it's new mic. I got this yesterday. And yeah, that's a great one. I mean, once again, like, okay, let's think logically. 13 points, it's not big retracement on high time frame. I would say it's enough, and it's not even pullback. It's going to look like a little bit like retracement, a little bit. And nothing else. Like 13 points, who cares about 13 points, right? No one. Well, guys, we just got this closure. We got the closure below Asia high and this 40.02 level. Obviously, it's not going to be even like 1 hour trade here. Guys, what do you think about retracement? I'm not in this trade yet. What do you think about retracement to 39.90, 39.88? Like 7-10 points lower. Once again, it's retracement on lower time frame. On high time frame, it's going to be still bullish, so nothing is going to change. So right now I'm inside 30-minute fair value gap, but what do you think about retracement back to 39.88? Also, we got 1 hour. It's 1 hour, I guess. Inversion fair value gap. Quite tricky, but once again, I'm pretty much conservative. It's just retracement, nothing else. Like the way you speak. I mean, yeah, with all-time highs, always like ridiculous to short, honestly. I agree with you, but once again, I really believe never. I mean, I wouldn't say never. Sometimes retracement is necessary, like important to get retracement to get in longs, in my humble opinion. This is how I see this, like impossible to long all the time, so we eventually will get retracement down. And the question is how big retracement is going to be, like overall, right? So far we retrace back to New York midnight open. That's first key level. So New York midnight open can be like barrier for price to go lower or higher, depends where we are right now. Let's highlight OT, guys. Let's see where's OT. Or at least, you know, like 50%. 50% right below first sell side. And also, let me read the chat. I mean, it's not really short. It's just retracement. Maybe to retrace this for, you know, like inversion for a value gap. But also, you know, like not best idea. Like straight idea here. Okay, back to price action here. It's 5-minute chart, by the way. As I said, like when we have like slow move up, what this means is building low resistance to downside, like most of the time, especially on lower time frame. Especially once again, when we have, I'm going to repeat this again, slow move up or down. At this point, we got move up. See what happened here? Lots of failure swings. This means it's trying to build low resistance to downside. In order to trade this low resistance to downside, we anticipate to get at least the test of buy side or sell side liquidity at this way move. Let me rephrase this. How we anticipate to trade low resistance liquidity run. So how I see this, price first will try to take the very first will try to take the very first sell side, very first failure swing at this pullback, which is going to be at 39 87 or so. This is how I see this. Let's see if it's going to offer this retracement for us. But yeah, overall market is bullish, and I need this retracement down as well. How far? Like here. And once again, on high time frame, it's not going to look like huge retracement. And sometimes it's even like hard to call this retracement, right? But this is how I see this once again. Low resistance to downside build. We need this retracement down. Where? To the very first buy side or sell side. The very first sell side over here, but we can actually use rejection block, which is also part of liquidity level. So just for now, I'm watching if price can retrace down back to 39.88, like 87. And we will try to act accordingly. As you can see, we balanced 30-minute fair value gap. That's great, but we have inversion fair value gap, and 50% of this move up is lines up with this sell side. So it should try to offer one more move lower. Once again, not a lot, like 7 points. I know, like 8 points. Just for now, that's all I see. How many subscribers? Like 40, I believe. Mm-hmm. It's a little too hot. You like it? It's gold one for a reason, because we're trading gold here. Yeah, guys. It's not real gold. It's not real gold. But yeah, it's quite expensive for this. I guess because it's handmade. Should we long here? Can you see setup here? Too long. How much percent? I don't really use percent for my risk. I do use like $300 per trade to make $600. In some Russian podcast, yeah. Lots of Russian influencers use this, by the way. So we just touch early inversion fair value. Let's see. No rush. Wait for setup. I don't see longs yet, just for now. This is what I want to tell you. And it seems like my indicators are lagging today. I can talk to myself. Yeah, that's a nice one. I do like this. I do love this as well. Nice retracement down here in lower time frame. Once again, I kind of would like to see more, simply because it was expensive. Like really expensive to compare with regular mic. I just would like to see we taking out first sell side or a rejection block, because we have low resistance to downside. 1 hour inversion plus order block. I would say so. We're in 0.5 open range. Okay. What is the strategy that I trade? I have a video about this on my YouTube channel. Here's a link I'm going to send you in the chat right now. My husband told me yesterday, don't leave fingerprints on it. Don't touch this. I'm serious right now. He was like, don't touch this. No fingerprints. Not too close to it. Distance, please. Yeah, that's exactly this, Mike. How did you find this? Yeah. Right now, long right now, I mean, okay. I'm not going to be in a rush. Here's 30-minute chart, inside 30-minute fair value gap. Going to highlight my project X as well. All right. Yeah, we inside this 30-minute fair value gap. You are right, yeah. Okay, let's see if you're going to get the trade here. Not here, maybe soon. I will trade on my project X. Yeah, as you can see, you can see this actually here. Price touched this hourly inversion fair value gap. The trade to this 30-minute fair value gap, and we got some SMTs with silver, right? All right, all right. It's 18 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, new order block. No shorts. I'm not looking for short. I'm looking for the retracement to long. That's the plan. I want to see the retracement down to 39.88 to long. That was the plan, to long. Sorry, guys. No, ideally plan is, like, it was my ideal plan. Back to 40.11. Like, I want to see this. That was the plan. Something like this. I believe it was valid. Honestly, as I said, I don't want to short. I prefer to trade potential sweep. So once again, we didn't have potential sweep onto the minute chart, but it was logical to get retracement down to 88, 90 area because we have low resistance to downside. So I can long this. Right now, we retrace like the 30-minute fair value gap and hourly inversion. Can I say that's okay? I want more retracement down. All right, 1 second. Style, price label. You don't think we'll get retracement down, right? I mean, this means I'm going to be flat on the day. I'm not on trade yet. My plan was to get something like this. In reality, we got completely two different pictures. It's all right. Market is open. It's 9:50 a.m. So we entered our time window. Really, I don't really want to try longs from here yet. Again, 9-point stop loss. Are you serious? Back to projections here. Disappointed to see like we reversed from here because once again low resistance to downside, like it was quite obvious to get longs from here like this, as I highlighted here. Okay, per trade I risk $300, so not a big deal. So once again, when I take a loss, I don't feel like it's big loss because it's only $300, and I have 150k accounts. Normally it's like not huge a risk for this account size. I just don't feel like picture right now is obvious. In my opinion. But it's obvious to drop to this level, like we have low resistance to downside and get long somewhere from here. Maybe slightly lower, like from OT. But this is how I see this, guys. I would say maybe that's okay to wait right now. A bit more. NQ is... Why are you trading NQ? Come on. What a garbage price action on NQ. Let me check. Toxic relationship. I broke up with NQ 2 months ago. I'm not on any trade right now. I'm still flat. But I'm more bullish on NQ, as said before. I would like to see 25,378 level. I'm okay to be flat for now. Yesterday I got in long, by the way, around like 11:30 a.m. I got 9 points or so. Because AM was garbage, so I didn't feel like I missed something yesterday during AM session. Yeah, we got nice long, but even in hindsight, I would never ever took this. I'm not in position yet. Like 8-point stop loss. 8-point stop loss. It's like 4 or 5 micros to trade. So for example, as you can see, like approximately, it's like, let's say like for long, it's 8.5 stop loss. With one mini contract, it's $150 stop loss. So if you want to risk like me, $300 per trade, it's going to be around like 4 micros to trade, right? Really? I know, like feels like it's a bit choppy. I feel the best time to trade in Q is pre-London. Yeah, I'm going to participate in arena competition again, but it's going to be huge one cup, guys. A huge one challenge. So it's going to have 3 rounds. I'm going to host round 1. So where first place you'll win $8,000, second place you win $2,000, third place you win $1,000. So you'll be able to trade micro gold, micro NQ, micro ES, micro CL, Euro futures. And in 1 week after the first round, you will get another round, like round 2, with exactly same prizes. And in another week after round 2, you will get another round, like round 3, with same prizes. And 10% from best traders from each round will enter round 4, final round, where first place will win 100K cash, second place 25K, third place 10K. So free to enter, guys, same environment. We can trade not only micro ES, we have like options to trade micro gold, micro NQ, micro ES, micro CL, and Euro futures. Yeah, guys, I participate as well. I'm going to live stream my trades. Not else. Yeah, I'm going to be participant as well. I signed up yesterday, guys. Limited spots only. So, guys, please, more than half already like reserved spot. Please be first and enter arena right now, because once again, limited spots. When? October 20th. Go and sign up right now, guys. I'm going to trade micro gold or micro gold. I'm not going to try to trade NQ, but once again, you can open like some positions at the same time, like NQ, MNQ, micro ES, micro gold at the same time. So you're limited with contracts. Let me think. I don't remember. I believe for first round you can trade. It's like a few contracts only. First round, you will be able to trade 3 micro ES or 3 micro NQ or 2 micro golds. Like only. So last time we had 5,000 participants. I participated as well, but I had to trade micro ES only. So my place was 198. So I did well since I took one break even to winning trades. I believe I did well at this point. Yeah, you can. Yes. You're going to have 25k initial balance. It's going to be sim environment, no daily loss limits, or something like this. You'd like. So you need to trade micros. Honestly, I don't know. Market is inside consolidation. That's why I'm not in trade right now. It just feels like garbage consolidation. What's wrong with price action? I would say pre-market in Asia recently were way better. Look at NQ price action. What's wrong with this? Tell us. Yeah, as I said, like from the very beginning when I started Steam, I have no idea what kind of bias we have. We took all-time high, Asia high before market open. What kind of bias I have? I don't know. It should be better. Maybe it will be better like during lunch or PM session. I know. 10-point stop. It is what it is. Boring price action. Love this job. Me too. Hate to sit and wait for something to happen. But who I am. I took no trades at all. 0 trades. Zero trades, guys. No complaints. It's okay. But a little bit annoying. Like a little bit. I traded Asia, guys. I traded with 10 micros. I got partial 5 micros off at 4k yesterday. The rest up at break even. So I 5 points, 5 micros. Actually, I made nothing. Like $250. Nothing. It's at least, at least something, but I cannot say I got perfect trade. Better than losing. Yes. But still. Give us some setup, please. Don't be like this. Great continuation. So once again, for retracement, it may actually try to retrace to New York midnight open on ES and NQ. But once again, it feels like account blowing price action. Best idea is to trade with a couple of micros. And it's better to lose $150 or so, $200 than just blow account with this price action. In my humble opinion. So far, not worth it. Like it's just consolidation. See, it's just stuck there. I'm not sure if I want to trade something here. Here's the 5-minute chart. For example, talking about long spot, it's better to get long here because we have low resistance to downside. That main reason why I didn't long this. We have low resistance to downside. Going to wait more. It's on the 10:06. It may offer some setups for me still. Because right now nothing is going on. Let's check in queue. Well. Guys, what's wrong with price action? Yeah, all right. I mean, once again, I don't like to say like it's Tuesday without news. That's why price action is like this. There is something else, probably. We have low resistance to downside on gold. Let's see if it's going to offer move down for us, as I said before. Then probably long a 3-minute order block. We stop loss below swing low, and we are going to aim for new high of the day. Maybe. I know. Because so far nothing happened. I wish I was in my long at 7:30 a.m. because it was textbook long. After this, it was just garbage. I just truly believe we should see this move lower, at least to the sell side, because we have low resistance to downside. Let me delete these levels. I will draw them later today. Just would like to show you why I'm looking for lower. So every single time when we have slow move up or down, it's building low resistance. We have lots of weather swings. It's building low resistance to downside. And once price hit like some key levels on high time frame, price tends to retrace back to first sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity, which is at 50% of this way up. Once again, can we drop more? Of course we can. We can drop back to discount easily, like 62% and 75.5%. And so you can see like 50% lines up with failure swing, 62% lines up with failure swing, 70.5% lines up with failure swing over here. It's clearly like low resistance to downside. That's why I would like to see lower. And since I'm conservative, I would like to see here like 50%. And if it's going to offer 3-minute order block, I will look for long to aim for a new high of the day. I hope my idea makes sense at least a little bit. So for CHAP, yes. Let's see what we have on ES. Yeah, that's nice one. I like it. I like it. 378 is a key level on Q. I'm actually end the day with no trades at all, which is probably okay, but annoying. $378's projection level. I guess on 15-minute chart or hourly chart. Don't remember. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check for you. It was 15-minute chart. So the very last move down before reversal, as you can see over here, the very last move down before reversal, from the range between 2 and 2.5, we want to see retracement to the range between 1 and 1.5 to fair value gap, because normally at this range between 1 and 1.5 we have fair value gap. And if it's going to offer inversion fair value gap right after this, and yes, we got inversion on hourly, on 15-minute chart, price will go all the way up to forced standard deviation. And here's the forced standard deviation, as you can see over here. So I'm looking for price to go there. That's it. I would say in gold we need to drop more. Just a little bit once again. Come on, price action, do something, at least something. I'm not in any trades right now. It's just garbage. Just like, I would say it's like logical trade here. Logical here. You know, okay guys, if you want to enter this kind of model, like we got potential sweep, let's say an hourly, and we enter the trade, normally we anticipate to get price immediately goes in our favor, or 5 minutes after we enter the trade, right? What happened in reality? Nothing. So price just consolidated, and once again, why I still believe in this short? Simply because it makes sense to drop to first sell side here. Like, if it did not make any sense to hold like right now, for example, we hit some sort of level, we don't have loaded distance to downside, I would probably cut this trade and forgot about this, right? Like, what's the point to hold this trade? 0 point. But once again, since we have loaded distance to downside, it just makes sense. But it's chap, yeah. Definitely, like, short idea here, not the best. But level here, yes, I like this level. No longs here. I mean, no longs here. I'm just saying, like, I don't mind to see long from this level from 50%. I mean, if you like thinking about cutting the trade or hold this, you can just trail your stop loss at the logical place. For example, where is the logical place? Let's try to find this on lower time frame, like 3-minute chart or 1-minute chart. Logical place right now is over here. So basically at 4K. Because if 4K, I'm looking at micro gold right now. If 4K is going to be taken, so it will break protected high probably. Protected swing point. But once again, just can stay inside consolidation and that's it, nothing else. But yes, a little bit disappointed because I expect to get like a bit better price action than we got right now, unfortunately. But it's okay, I'm okay to be flat on the day, you know? Like at all. See this chap? I wouldn't say it's worth it to trade, but once again, it's only 10.17. It may still offer some setups. And just consolidation once again. As you can see, it took this 4K. This means failure, not failure. Protected swing is broken. Consolidation again. Good sign of chop. Here's the hourly chart on NQ. As you can see, nothing happened since market open. I would like to get some momentum as well, but as you can see, price just stuck inside consolidation. I would say since 9:30 AM, so basically 1 hour and nothing happened. What kind of sound I'm playing? I don't know, I downloaded some from YouTube, like default music. I mean, I need trade as well. But it is what it is. Nothing is going on. We were talking about RB, right? Oh, look at this. Exactly, we feel this volume imbalance and price is raised. Did you take this long on RB or where? Oh, you didn't? What about HO? Pretty solid move up as well, right? Okay. Anyway, let's see. I still would like to get some trades. Well, what happened on hourly, guys? As you can see, we traced this hourly fair value gap. We touched this 30-minute order block, and we got potential 30-minute sweep. You know, guys, what I want to say? I would long probably 100% if price just hit this level and offered exactly the same scenario. I will try this long. No matter what result I could get, I would try this long. But since inside consolidation, price did not hit any important levels, but only this hourly fair value gap, I have a question about this. Good morning, good morning. So you missed nothing. We didn't take a single trade yet. Empty model player. I don't trade in Q. We have midnight open as previous day range. Alright, I mean we have loaded into the downside. That's main reason why I don't want to long this yet. Yeah, it may actually trace to this OT of this range, last leg up before, like, last leg up here. And that's actually nice to see this OT here. But my only concern load is the downside. Once again, let's say, we hit this 50%, we hit the sell side, and we have exactly the same picture as we got on 30-minute and hourly. I would long this. Right now, I don't want to long this. You think like gold is going to move during PM session? We're gonna see, you know. I hope we are going to get some setups. Or Asia. Did you notice like last 3 trading days on gold? Not yet, unfortunately. I mean, not unfortunately. I like this move down once again to take 39.88, but once again, idea is just logical trade here, not based on Monday or something like this. That's why I'm not in this trade. It's just logical move down that I expect to get. I will not long until we hit 39.88. Just does not make any sense to long here. Gold moves amazing during Asia, and I would say moves obvious, amazing, and with no consolidation. Why 39.88? It's very first sell side liquidity since we have loaded this downside. Like very first failure swing here on this way down. But once again, maybe on TradingView it doesn't look like so bad. But here's, for example, Project X. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Such a brilliant consolidation. Like, I like it. By the way, guys, I decided to give a chance to Lucid. I will try them. And I will keep you updated with my performance there because once again, I'm going to my first payouts on Tradify. I'm just trying to improve my consistency. That's why I cannot request this because my consistency, I need to have 20% and 25%. On Finding Six and Tradify, it's higher. So I will request, I hope this week if price action is going to be slightly better to trade this, but I'm going to add 2-3 accounts with Lucid, and I will buy Tradeawait, and I will buy probably straight to Funded. I don't trade NQ. Nope. I mean, I traded this for 3 years, but honestly, I found consistency on gold. My consistency is better on gold. What do you consider? Oh, it's 5-minute chart. Sorry, it's 5-minute chart. It was 5-minute chart stuff. I mean, 2R for this trade is going to be here. That's 2R. But I would like to see lower simply because we have sell side there. Like, guys, if you have FOMO right now, no reason, just trust me. It's a set consolidation. Look at NQ price action, and that's hourly, guys. On 3-minute chart, it looks so bad. So you're not missing a lot. You trade Asia. I mean, I traded Asia. I got win. Like, it's $250 only because I got 5 micros off. It was my partial at 4K level. And the rest stopped at break even. So I didn't make a lot. ES approaching New York midnight open, it will drop another 6 points. That's all I see on ES. On NQ, I see really nothing. We have New York midnight open as well, but comparing with ES looks way more bearish. We need to get some news. I don't know. I need to get something so we can see volatility on market. But once again, my plan on gold is to look for long. Just from somewhere from this area. To aim for new high of the day. That's what I'm looking. I'm not bearish at all on gold. At all. I need longs. Continuation high to take 410. 415. I need this long. Just slightly lower. Offer this slightly lower move. Too long this. I'm bullish, guys. I said I'm looking for, I was looking on ES. I would like to see we taking out New York midnight open at 6781.25. That's key level. Looking at me. Because my chat on camera. Yeah. I put chat. I have small screen. It's like prompter, and it's on camera, so I can read chat. And this, when I read the chat, I look at you guys. Well, guys, any trades today taken? No, no longs on ES because ES need to take New York midnight open. I'm going to wait for break above or below consolidation first to engage in any trades on gold. Does not make any sense to enter the trade right now. You lose hyper. Of course, like last win, nothing. It's okay. It's part of the game. We still keep killing it. It's okay. So far, I just a little bit annoyed at inside consolidation. I feel like I'm wasting my time on this consolidation, but that's fine. Still hope to get it up. Look at these weeks on hourly and 30-minute chart. Garbage weeks. So let me highlight target area. So it's going to be this area. I call this once again target area. Not really reversal area, but this is what I would like to see today. Let's see if gold, not gold, ES can take this New York midnight open, because so far it's really struggling. And sorry guys, let me log out from my TradingView on my laptop. Forgot to do this. Really? Really? Sorry. No, I didn't really look YM, honestly. For analysis on ES and NQ. Would like to see gold make higher high. Just jab. Not worth it. Of any risk, in my opinion. Thank you. So I guess my plan is to wait for the break above below oh my god. Break above below consolidation low, or once again break above consolidation high, break below consolidation low, and I will try to frame set up, because right now it's still inside consolidation. I know, like on project it looks just 10 times worse than it looks on TradingView. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just garbage consolidation so far. I feel like we're still inside market maker buy model, but really expect to get better retracement down. Which is okay, probably. You touch new. I hope my husband didn't see this. Let me clean this a little bit. Funny, right? Just going to go all the way up to this. Does not make any sense to long right now. Cancel, of course. Here's a consolidation. Oops. But it's better to have something like this. We don't want to see this price action. Here's a consolidation. No, I mean, it's not really short. It's not my short. I want to use this retracement down to long this to this target area. It was logical retracement. Because it's consolidation. If it was in discount, premium, or at equilibrium, it's consolidation. Not worth to try this, in my opinion. This is how I see this, at least. To take this out, I mean lower. I want to see like we taking out very first sell side on this way down. Since we have low resistance to downside and look for long to this target area. It was the plan. Why I'm looking for this target area? So basically this range between 2 and 2.5. Since we trade inside consolidation since 9:30 a.m., I would say even like 9 a.m. It's okay to stay away. Like comments in the chat. ES is typing. Next comment. Wow, ES has been wonderful this AM session. Like, are you serious, guys? Well, yes was okay. I agree with you. Well, 10:37 a.m. Still nothing significant happened. Interesting. NQ also approaching New York midnight opens like 30 points away so far. Just how can I be profitable and consistent? Don't trade consolidation. Don't short all-time high. Best advice that I can give you. Really, today we didn't get really good moves today at all. That's why I'm flat right now. Once again, depends. If you're scalper, maybe it was nice move. But here's 3-minute chart and 5-minute chart. I cannot say like we got solid move here, up and down. I wouldn't say so. But yes, looks good. Like in hindsight, once again, it respect the 3-minute OB, 3-minute OB, 3-minute OB. Also done to New York midnight open. Strange day. I mean, I also feel it was strange. It's okay, don't worry. Like, our task is just, please don't blow your account. I didn't take this because once again, it's still part of consolidation. And as I said before, I would like to look for longs from this area. So I'm just trying to follow my rules and that's it. I still believe I did well. I will, by the way, guys, I will stream PM session today on TradingView TV where I will trade ES. Because I don't trade in Q. I'm going to stream there. If you just joined, please don't forget to sign up for Ninja Trader Arena Cup. So it's going to be like huge challenge. I'm also going to participate. Let's see who is going to be first. Because once again, lots of traders is going to participate in it. So here's your chance, guys. Link and pin message in the chat. Not in the chat. In the description. In the description, guys, check description to my live. and sign up. Sign up, guys. Sign up for this cup. Once again, I'm also going to participate. I'm going to be exactly the same participant as you, but I'm going to host round 1. So guys, participate. Let's see. Once again, we can trade micro NQ, micro ES, micro gold, micro CL, Euro futures there. So lots of options for us there. I'm going to trade micro gold. I believe we can trade. Let me see. Let me look into my profile. View details. Yeah, let me take screenshot. We will discuss this. So it's not going to be like you going to full port. No, not at all. You're not going to full port this. As you can see, you have limit. So for micro ES, you can trade micro ES. You can trade only 3 micros. For micro NQ, 3 micros only. For micro gold, 2 micros only. Yeah, I'm going to trade on NinjaTrader. I think so, yeah. Micro CL, 2 contracts on the Euro futures. It's not micro Euro futures, just a regular one, 2 mini contracts. Because it's not a lot, like 2 mini contracts for Euro futures. So I'm going to host one round, first round, guys. As well as I'm going to live stream my trades. Let's see if we are going to get some solid moves, guys. Link in the description to this for this stream. Sign up right now because limited spots, guys. Once again, I'm also going to participate. Let's see who is going to win. Like with 2 micros, 3 micros, it's not a lot, but at least you can. I mean, once again, you need to take more trades that I'm going to take because like lots of participants, obviously if I'm going to take 1 trade with 2 micros, it's not going to be lots of money. Some people going to like engage at gold, CL, and Q, ES at the same time. They're going to make more. You can just practice your knowledge, what you learned, and I wish you good luck, everyone. So talking about like prizes. First place for each round will win $8,000. Second place will win 2K. And third place will win 1K. $100 between place 4 and 400. So main prize for these rounds is going to be $8,000, but for final round, main prize is going to be 100K. So I signed up. As you can see, we have, here's my account. Okay, we have participants like more than half already. So guys, participate. Is blocked? Really? Well, it's going to be October 20th first round, October 27 second round, and November 3rd third round. Final round is going to be November 17, if not mistaken. It's going to start at 8 a.m. But I believe, I'm going to start streaming at 8 a.m. But you can actually enter the trade midnight, I guess. Yes, I'm going to send the link in a moment. Give me 1 second. I personally signed up, going to participate as well. Here's the link, guys. Just like, if you already have account, just like sign up. If you don't have account, click get started. And that's it. Like email, like username in email, no, login, then password, and then username. Hello, hello. Okay, let's see if something will happen in next 5 minutes. I'm actually finish early to start, like, I will steam PM session anyway. Just for now, it's just garbage price action. I don't feel like it's worth it. Definitely, NQ has room to go lower to take this New York midnight open as well. Gold needs to take this target area. Once again, we're still inside consolidation, but we're approaching this area, as you can see. So yeah, nothing is going on. I'm actually be done for IM session. Guys, I'm going to steam PM session where we'll trade gold. Here's a link. Yeah, let's be done for this session, because right now I'm not sure like if I want to trade right now, because price inside consolidation. RB is moving. Okay, let's check RB and HO. This point CL means moving higher, right? RB was great today. As I can see, we got nice move up here. Gold wasn't perfect. Silver. Interesting, silver looks way more bearish. Well, nothing is going on so far. Yeah, guys, I'm going to steam PM session on TradingView TV. I will try to execute ES. I hope it's going to offer some opportunity for me. Yes. I will see you guys in 1 hour, more than 1 hour. I just don't see the reason to steam right now anymore. Just price action is garbage. Like, not worth it to try this. Yeah, guys, don't join me to TradingView TV at 12:30 p.m. We will try to trade ES. Check last message, Instagram, right? I will check. Don't make stupid mistakes. Sign up for Ninja Trader Arena Cup. And I wish you perfect the rest of the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you in 2 hours.